distributed ledger technology is a database shared between multiple parties in order to execute mutually agreed upon transactions that are based on some consensus mechanism, with the key feature of having identical versions of the data, and in order to authorize it with a central trusted party. So the concept of DLT as such existed long before blockchain technology and was mentioned for the very first time yet in 1982 in the explanation of how computer systems must handle conflicting information. So distributed ledger is a database that exists across several locations or among multiple participants. And that's the reason why there is a common misunderstanding that blockchain and DLT are actually the same, which is not true. And the most obvious and the most important difference between the two of them is that the blockchain is just another type of DLT as a sequence of blocks, while DLT does not require a chain as such. And also DLT does not need a proof of work and offers better scaling options, at least in theory. So blockchain is a specific type of DLT, as there are many companies today that are using centralized database that lives in a fixed location, and a centralized database essentially has a single point of failure, while a DLT is decentralized in order to eliminate the need for a central authority or intermediary in the process, and also in order to validate and authenticate transactions. So all files under DLT are then timestamped and given a unique cryptographic signature so that all of the participants can view all of the records in question. So DLT presents a new paradigm shift in how data is being stored, accessed, and verified. And that's why big data is another significant element of that process, and that will be the topic of our following session on FinTech Online Center.